very
We're
ends.
working. I really want to point this out.
Back up.
I really do.
Oh,
So we're gonna hold it. We're gonna
We
hold
gotta make
it.
sure that he's here. Yeah.
Gotcha. So we're gonna pull it nice and tight.
Yep.
We're gonna go over the whole thing and both lower it down together.
Okay.
And don't let go until your fingers almost touch. You'll see the color absorb.
Okay.
All right.
So
Go
we're
on
getting it nice
down.
and taut.
Yep. Pull it down a little further towards you.
Yep.
Wait a minute. Pull it down towards you. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Here's the magic.
Oh, neat.
Cool.
Super cool.
Wow.
Push the edges down a little bit.
Yeah. There were just like certain spots, and then you feel like.
Ready for the big reveal?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Slow mo now, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
Here we go.
Is it?
Sounds pretty good.
Nice.
Wow, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Come here, baby.